It gives you 5 pieces, and it's a simple snap together assembly, and it's best to do it here on the table before we go and put it in the glove box on the truck. So what you'll get here is this piece, which is going to be the top piece, and you can see the markings on here, and it says this side is down and it says this is the front. And these 3 pieces here also have up arrows and front arrows so that you can orient it. And then over here it says slide to fit. This is a dovetail feature here, and what you want to do is put it over the slot and slide it in, and then there it just snaps into position. So we're going to want to do that 3 times. Just get it started in the slot, slide it in, and then make sure it goes far enough for the front piece to tab into the slot there. And then same thing on the last one, just put it on the table, slide it into the slot, and it snaps into position. And now that you've got that done, this piece here is just kind of a spacer piece. So what you're going to want to do with this is line up the notches with the 3 pieces, and it's best to get those in there. And this is a slight snap fit so that everything stays together. So you kind of just work it into position this way and then snap it down like that. And then we can take it as it's assembled like this and go into the truck and put it in the glove box. Now we're here in the truck ready to put the glove box organizer in, and you just take it and work this piece around the leash that's in the side of the glove box here, and it's easy to do. You just put the nose down, and as it slides in it'll pop up and under that place, and once it's in it's tight, and it works around that little button that holds the leash. So now it's in, it's nice and tight, and it's ready to put your stuff back in.